Good morning, everybody. Sats. We're covering sats in this video. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel. A bit of a weird intro if you're new to the channel, but we had to cover this. I mean, ordinals right now is one of the most hyped up categories in cryptos. For example, I mean, sats is doing great, but rats, a different ordinals crypto, is doing good as well. It's wow, this has rallied so much as well in the last 7 days. It's crazy. It's pretty crazy. I mean, obviously, this has a lot to do with the Binance listing for sats, and there's just a lot of hype around ordinals in general. I mean, you see these memes going around about people in China trading all of these ordinal tokens, etc. Which I do think there's some sort of truth to it. I mean, if you look at rats, for example, and where most of the volume comes from, you'll see a lot of Gate.io. And Gate.io, I always think, Gate.io, OKX, HTX, I always think quite a lot of Chinese use those exchanges. And if you look at sats, not 1000 sats, just the normal sats. And if you look at sats, I think you'll see the same. Probably some more Binance now. But no, a lot of Gate.io, KuCoin as well, HTX, SuperX. So yeah, that's what's going on. Now, if you watch my videos, you would have expected this because we rallied up higher. Yesterday, if you watched the video, what I said is that I expected it to break out above 6,500 and rally up to 7,500. Happened. The difference is that we have also rallied up higher now, much higher. This morning as well, sats just continued rallying. So at this moment, it is very bullish. I must say, like we also saw, there's quite a lot of volume from SuperX as well. SuperX is an exchange where usually if a lot of volume comes from there, a crypto is manipulated. Now, like I said, there's fundamental reasons for this bullish momentum for sats as well, so I will not call it fully manipulated. But it's something you should know. At some point of time, sats is going to crash pretty hard. All right, so that's something you should know. For now, that does not necessarily seem most likely. If you look at sats, the open interest is still going up. This does create a bigger crash. Like if the open interest is so high, which it still is, that does increase the possibility that it will crash hard. But for now, like what you can see is that sats actually moves up in these very tight ranges, right? So it has these ranges all the time, and then it gets a bullish breakout, and then it ranges up higher. It seems to me that the current range is right here between 8,400 and then up here at, let's say, 9,500. I would say 9,500 is the main level. So what we'll see today, and this is, I think, everything you need to know. I think everything you need to know technically is in here, and we just talked about the fundamentals. We're waiting for a breakout. All right, we're waiting for sats to either break above the main resistance at 9,500, after which it will probably rally up to the levels around 11,000. That's at least what I would say historically. At some moment, maybe we could still have a huge rally. That's actually a possibility, but that doesn't look most likely to me right now, given the market circumstances. But it's either this bullish breakout, or it is a bearish breakout. So if sats breaks down below 8,300 and is not able to retake that level from 7,500, so it basically does a break retest, then we're going to fall. And then it's probably over, all right? Because usually what you see is that, and by the way, this was also one of those areas. Usually what you see is that when a crypto then finally is not able to hold a support level again, then it will drop down quite severely. All right, so if it's if we get a bearish breakout from sats and we don't immediately reclaim the level, which would still be fine, then it's probably over. That's a bearish breakout. That's the first bearish breakout we've had in the last 3 days since sats has been very bullish. So then we'll probably have a bit of a crash. All right. So it's waiting for that. If I would have to give you my most likely scenario, I'll be honest, I think sats will continue. But those are my thoughts for now. And in general, just wait for a breakout. Just stay safe. It's manipulated. It's hard to trade. That's what you should know. All right. So if you still do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I'll try to get to them. But for now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description. Down in the description and the pinned comment. Excuse me. But for now, have a great weekend and bye.